Hi guys, this is Emmanuel from Revstar, and this video is a merchant onboarding flow video, basically to help merchant out there get onboarded as soon as possible on Revstar. But before then, Revstar is a platform that helps African merchants to sell, grow, and scale. We provide merchants with AI-powered business management software or tools, to create storefront, manage inventory, record sales, and other point of sales. That's our POS, and also get AI-powered business insights, in-depth analysis, and a whole lot of other functionalities on Revstar. So, but I won't want to delve much into the whole thing right now. Let's just go straight into the onboarding flow. See you at the onboarding flow. Yeah. So this is the onboarding flow, and if you want to, sign up as a merchant, probably a new merchant, that means you definitely want to go over to the sign up page, right? But before then, you can just go over to the sign up page by visiting app.userefstar.com, right? And you'll be prompted to log in. But as a new merchant, you can just go ahead and click the sign up tab there, or the sign up button there, link there. But let's just go ahead and do this. So I'm going to create mine. This onboarding is expected to take nothing less than 5 minutes. So let's go through it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and enter my password. Then you have to confirm your password again. And as soon as you register, you are going to get an email notification, welcoming you to Revstar, and as well as the email confirmation mail too. You have to confirm your email too, but then we'll do that later. Let's just go ahead and do glitches, surprises, right? Surprises. Just using a generic name here, right? Surprises and more, right? And now people, yeah, let's just do a more, right? Let's do category. Let's do beauty and cosmetic. One beauty of our Revstar is you can generate your store description with AI. Let's do that. Let's what we get. Okay, at Glitchy Surprise and More, we celebrate the beauty of individuality with a curated collection of unique beauty products that empower you to express your true self, and big selection, and all of that. You can go ahead and say, okay, why not just tweak this part? You can just go ahead and tweak the part, or probably delete the entire thing, and just write whatever you feel like there. So we'll be prompted to onboard, to create the first product. So let's create the first product. Let's do tie and knot, right, for him. Let's give it a 15,000 naira. Let's do 35 in stock, and let's generate a product description for this. Let's see if that works. Yeah, at tie and knot for him, we elevate your style with exquisite collection of ties designed to make every man feel confident and distinguished, and the like. So you have this. You can as well tweak it if you're not cool with it. Save. Then you have to, confirm your payment setup. Let me confirm my payment setup. So I'll be using OPay. We have about 35 banks there, so you should be able to, your bank should fall within the listed banks there. So your store is ready to launch, right? And this is how your store URL will look like. Glitches, glitchessurprises.com. Right. We can just quickly go ahead and quickly correct that if you are not cool with this, and just correct what we have here. Yes, glitch surprises, so that we don't have double heads there. So we can just do glitchy surprises all together. And let's go ahead. Your session is saved, so you are good to go. And it has been, as you can see, it has been corrected here. It has been corrected here. You also have it here too. So let's launch our store and let's see what we get. Launching, launched. Nice. Okay. Yeah. So you'll be redirected here to log in, but while you were onboarding, right, or getting onboarded, your session has been saved. So you might just want to go ahead and probably enter your email and password, right, or you refresh the page. So your session has been saved already. As you can see, you have this a tour, right? You have this tour you can next and you can as well skip. So I'll be skipping this tour and you'll be shown your KYC level. As soon as your KYC, as soon as you complete your KYC, the the banner there will disappear. So it might look somehow, but that's how it's supposed to be. No problem at all. You are good. And this is your dashboard. As soon as you start making, order, the numbers will start reading, and you can always, make any adjustment whenever you want to make adjustments. So that is basically how you register on Revstar, and your store is good to go. And just to be sure that your store is good to go, you can just go ahead and click this tab, this globe icon, and it takes you straight to your storefront. Your storefront is already created. You already have a store now. So glitches, surprises, store is ready and good to go. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate.